We have a few more topics, so don't fall asleep. So we have a person that is very handsome. And if you don't agree with that, maybe we change this guy here. Okay, we have a person that's very handsome. Okay, if the boys do not agree, we have this girl here. We have a girl that's very beautiful, right? Okay, so a word for beautiful is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay, it's a word for beautiful. If somebody is drop dead gorgeous, drop dead means to die, right? It's like, okay, it's like these girls over here. They're almost fainting when they see Ryan Gosling here. Okay, drop dead gorgeous. We can also say these people turn heads, right? When they walk by, you have to turn your head to look at them. You can say this about a car. If it's a nice car, right? Okay? If something attracts your attention, you can say, turn head. Okay? Some people say, though, that beauty is only skin deep. What does that mean? Beauty is only on the surface. So you have to look inside to know if the person is really beautiful or not. Okay? We say somebody is an ugly duckling, usually in past tense. We used to say somebody was an ugly duckling. Why? Because the ugly duck, do you know the story about the ugly duckling? It's a very famous children's story. It's about a duck that was very ugly. It was very different from the other ducklings. Duck, you know? Duckling is the little one, the baby duck. Okay, so the ugly duckling grew up to be a swan. So it became more beautiful than the other ducks, because ducks are very ordinary. But swans, what is a swan? Okay, so you know. So when it became a swan, it became better than the rest, right? So we say this to describe a person who was not very smart, beautiful, successful as a kid, but then became more successful when he or she grew up. Okay, so we say she used to be the ugly duckling, or he was the ugly duckling. And then that's the ultimate rule. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. That means it depends on me to see this as a beautiful thing or not. When do we say this? Usually when people are in love. We don't understand why this guy is going out with this girl. They only know because they love each other. They see each other as beautiful because they love each other. So we say beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Do you know the Chinese equivalent for this one? No, that's love at first sight. Okay, very good. So, you know, when you love somebody, they appear to you as very beautiful. So let's read together. Drop dead gorgeous. You can say gorgeous, but if you want to make a point, if you want people to know this is a really, really attractive person, you can say drop dead gorgeous. Okay, or he turns heads. Beauty is only skin deep. Ugly duckling. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder.